Kruger. Blessings, it's your boy Papa Beast, and we're back at it again on another vlog. So guys, today I just woke up. I just decided to pick up my camera and started vlogging. This vlog, it's a freestyle basically, guys. It's a freestyle, but today I just need to do something. Cleaning my studio. Haven't used my studio for years, so I just want to actually take you guys to the journey to see my studio. I know you can see. But anyways, guys, today's video, as I said, we're gonna do some bit of cleaning and a bit of trading. I mean. So guys, as you know, today, not that you know, well, I'm shooting this vlog, and today is actually Good Friday. Like, the market is actually closed, but what I can only trade today is basically Bitcoin. So we're gonna go through the charts as well, just check out the market and see what's popping on the market. But while we're doing that, we are gonna be cleaning up the studio. So hope you enjoy this video, and make sure, guys, you hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you can get notified every single time I drop a video. And don't forget to comment down below. Let's head out to the studio so you guys can check out the studio. The studio, just right opposite me. There we go. Hey guys, if you know, you know. You see this is like the Hall of Fame, guys, the Hall of Fame of my studio. By the way, guys, my studio was my name of the studio,
what?
or the name of the studio was Speakers Blown Records. So everybody that signed here was artists that actually came by and actually made songs in the studio. So bro, I got too much history here. We got Cheslin RSA, we've got Felicia the Witch, we got Lil Tricky, we got Moon Gang, we got CJ Keys, we've got Santa, we've got I love 6 a.m, we've got Chief Cameron. So yeah, guys, we've got Burning Charlies, my boy, Burning Charlies. But yeah, guys, this is the place where we used to make hits. As you can see, I need to just clean up, man. I need to clean up this place. Moreover, that side in the booth, I need to make sure that side is spotless clean, because there's something that's about to happen, guys. There's some things that I'm planning, that I'm working on, and you guys are gonna see. So stay tuned. So there's gonna be like a real big development in the studio, and there's gonna be a lot of work being done in the studio. And by the way, guys, I'm testing out my new mic over here. Let me know down in the comments if the quality is good, if should I carry on using it or not. But I feel like, I don't know, I still need to hear I still need to edit and hear how it sounds. But also, you guys, if you like the sound, if you like the mic, let me know down below in the comments. Can you see, guys, I'm investing into this, trying to grow. I'm trying to develop my skills, trying to get better as time goes. But guys, even in the studio, guys, I think I'm addicted to myself, bro. I'm addicted to myself, bro. Don't worry, we're gonna clean that. We're cleaning up. See, can't forget the Holy Bible. But anyways, guys, let me just get straight to it and do a quick time lapse, and let me just start cleaning. Let's go. Quick update. So yeah, guys, with Bitcoin, we actually did push towards the downside, but we didn't actually tap into the fair value gap. So I didn't execute for the buy. So for now, guys, what I'm seeing this actually here. I'm seeing that. So what could happen is actually market pushing up, taking out this buy side liquidity, then push further down. Then that's where we're going to enter. So we just have to wait and see what's going to happen here with the market. But I anticipated for it to push further down, tap in the fair value gap, then we're going for the moon. But anyways, let's just wait and see. Meanwhile, while we wait for that to actually happen, if it's going to happen, let's see how it goes. Let me just get back to work and clean up the studio. Yo, guys, not gonna lie. The studio was in shambles, to be honest, was in shambles. Like, guys, as I told you, it's been a minute since I've actually utilized my studio. It's basically been like my storage. So, yeah, man, it's been a lot of work, lot of work. Still have to do a lot. But you know. So yeah, basically what I'm just gonna do today is basically just cleaning it up. Because in the near future I'm working on actually improving the studio, actually, like make it look more appealing and make it more comfortable. But we're gonna take it step by step. You're gonna be part of the journey, maybe. Kinda, yeah, you guys will be part of the journey. Actually, not kinda. You're actually gonna be part of the journey to see how I actually like evolve the studio from how it looks right now to what it's going to be in the near future. It's going to be crazy. So yeah, guys, just want to give you guys a quick update on what's popping or not popping. So yeah, guys, with Bitcoin, still haven't reached our point of interest. Still, consolidating. Let me just quickly show you guys. As you can see, we haven't reached our fair value gap. Market is like still pushing up. So now it's all about being patient, guys. All about being patient. As I said, I would like to see it actually taking out the buy liquidity over here first, then push down to a fair value gap, then we'll look for entries over there. So yeah, guys, that's the update for Bitcoin and the updates of the studio. I got my homeboy Cyrus.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yo, good.
Yeah, man.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, bro. Welcome to YouTube channel or my vlog. What am I saying? Welcome to my people.
Thanks, bro.
Salute. So yeah, guys, just trying to paint up this place now. Do them upgrades. Guys, you're gonna see more of Cyrus, man. Cyrus real soon. He's the man behind a lot of. Let me just keep quiet. As I told you, I don't want to mess up. I don't want to tell you guys what's really happening, but stay tuned. It's gonna be hectic, guys. I promise you. But yeah, anyways, just wanted to give you an update on the Bitcoin while we're still busy, and don't know how to. I'll update you guys furthermore later if we wanna take the trade or not. And obviously, we're gonna check out the studio after we're done. So yeah, guys, just a quick update. We've painted. You see, so just gotta wait for it to get a bit dry, Yeah, plug. I'll give you now. I'll show you now. By the way, guys, we're still waiting for Bitcoin. Hasn't touched our fair value gap. We're still going there. So yeah, guys, while I'm editing this video, I just want to quickly give an update on what's happening on Bitcoin. So guys, this didn't happen while I was actually vlogging, because the setup actually happened after the vlog. Let me just also just delete this, because as I said, as I anticipated on the vlog, if you're watching, is that the market will push above this highs over here. But fortunately or unfortunately, it didn't really push up. However, we did come down to our fair value gap, and yes, I did enter some trades, and as you can see, we're pushing further up. So the setup really worked. I'm sure that I'm gonna be dark right now, so please don't mind me. I know lighting might not be really great right now, but yeah, just wanted to quickly update you guys with that as well, that actually what we saw, it's actually playing out right now. It's playing out. So, but I'll keep you I don't know, I might update you guys about the trade on the next vlog, so, or not, I don't know, but as you can see, it's playing out. So yeah, let's get back to the video. So as I told you, as soon as we get to the fair value gap, we're going in, guys. But anyways, let's just put the fan on, get the place dried out, and finish up the work. It's off, Moss. Gang. So yeah, guys. I know I might be looking a bit rusty, but obviously it's because I've been working, guys. So yeah, guys, today done the cleaning, as you guys have seen, and we've done painting the wall,
And right now, guys, it's looking pretty good. I won't lie. But yeah, I've just done a quick setup, Nyana. This can change in the future, but at least you're gonna have an idea of how things are gonna be looking like. But yeah, without further ado, let's go. So yes, guys, that's how it looks. Guys. Please let me know down in the comments what you guys rated, what do you guys think, just from like a quick switch up. If you guys were watching the video earlier on, you saw how the room started, as you know, you saw how dirty it was. As I said, it was like a storage room, and look at the results right now. It looks amazing. We're like not even 50% done with what we want to do in here, but it's already looking amazing, guys. Already looking amazing. Look at that. Let me just stand back. Just look. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly also trying to sort out where I can put all of these things. Like I just want to create, more space in the studio. Also here behind, I want to put more artwork, something that will be dope. Here, this is just like the chilling spot, when I have my coffees there. You know what I mean? But we get in there, guys. We get in there. Just need more artwork, as I said. And more lights. We need some lights in here just to keep the mood going. So now I just need paint. I don't know if I should just leave it like that or just paint it white or just get another gray and just finish it off. But you know what? I'm just gonna finish it off, paint the rest of it. I just need to get more paint the rest of it. Then yeah, just fix the small touch-ups. Then it's gonna be looking all good, all dandy. As I said, I'm done right now. I'm quickly going to bath, refresh. I already ate, so I'm good. Yeah, I'm just quickly gonna refresh, then take a break. So probably, yeah, guys, this is where this vlog is going to end. I really appreciate you guys for actually watching. If let me see if you guys are here to the end. If you're here to the end, comment studio time. Yeah, comment studio time. You check. Whoever said studio time, that it shows that they watched the whole video. But anyways, thank you so much, guys, for actually watching and tuning in. I actually love the response that I'm getting from you guys. I'm not getting thousands or hundreds of views yet, but the ones that I'm getting so far and the growth, I'm actually really happy. And besides that, I'm really enjoying what I'm doing. I'm really enjoying creating content. I'm really enjoying being creative and just doing something refreshing for myself. Because as I said, I've been stuck for a while. There'll be a story time for that. It's still coming. But as you guys can see, I do include it bit by bit, giving you just a sneak peek of who I am. But end of the day, yeah, let me not carry on with the yapping. Let's end the video here. Love you guys. See you next time. It's your boy Papa Beast. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you can get notified every single time I drop a video. I know I don't have the same energy, guys, because I'm exhausted, super exhausted. And another thing, before I forget, guys, because it's Good Friday today, it's a public holiday, so the market has been consolidating all day long. It's been consolidating all day long, so I didn't get any opportunities to trade. So, but if anything happens, I might edit on this vlog. But if it doesn't, then it is what it is. At least that we didn't just go in the market and lose. We're going with our rules. You understand? It's one of my rules that if I don't see a setup, I don't trade at all. But anyways, guys, I'm really exhausted. Love you all. Check y'all. Peace.